my tutorial. My name is Ivana and I am the owner of Express Prints on Etsy and also on my own website. And this tutorial is really to help you edit your beautiful, beautiful invitation that you just bought from me. By the way, thank you so much. I really appreciate your custom. And, I hope that you will love them as much as I do. So I just sort of wanted to a little bit tell you how to edit your invitation in Canva, because obviously not everybody is an experienced creator, but it's so simple. And really you can edit your invitation in minutes, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. So let's just get started. Okay, guys, so when you get your invitation either from my website or Etsy, let's just click on it. So it says editable in Canva, and you also will receive a Canva link. And then when you buy your invitation, you will then receive this document. So this is your download from either, again, Etsy or my website. And here is your link that you need to click on. So let me just click on that. And you will be taken here, or if you are signing to Canva, you will be taken directly to your Canva account. So what we need to do now, we just need to, here's the three dots here, as you can see, and you just click on Edit Document. Yeah, and now that takes you to Canva. So guys, if you haven't got an account with Canva, it's again very simple. You just go to canva.com, and obviously here you would have create an account, and free account is absolutely fine for this. Okay, so if I want to see better, I can actually do this. Now, the reason I put 2 pages here, I mean, obviously this is a free page, because if we wanted to, for example, print them directly through Canva, we can do that. And, there's a button here called Print with Canva. So we would just get invitation and portrait and do it like this, and then resize design. And we would have our invitation printed. Guys, Canva does a very good job at printing, but I'll get to this a little bit later on. Okay, so back to our design, guys. So the background is basically, there's not much we can change because obviously that's my graphic, but everything else here we can change. So we can change font. Yeah, there's so many, if you're on a free account, there's so many free fonts. This font, so let's see if I want to change it, I can change it to bright. I can make it bigger, I can make it different color. Just going to pull this here, yeah, like that. Can put this up here a little bit, guys. So if you have a paid subscription, you can actually, when you are doing fonts, you can actually go to Creative Fabrica. And there's quite a few excuse me, there's quite a few fonts for free. So you actually just go here, there is it here, and find a free font. There's quite a few of them, and beautiful ones as well. So all of these fonts are free. And then if you just want to then upload a new font, you go to upload a font and do it that way. But you do need a professional account for this, and monthly subscription, I pay monthly, and it's £12 a month in the UK. But, for me, it's worth it because obviously I create graphics. But if you have just a free account, this is absolutely fine. And then we can change colors. We can change literally anything. If we want to, for example, grab a color from my background, from my graphic, then what you can do, you can actually click on the picker, and you can go and pick your color like this. So let's just see. Yeah, now it changed to the same color as that, as you can see. But we're going to change it back to sort of like a brighter color because obviously we need to see it, guys. So there's literally endless ways you can edit it. Yeah, add your details here. You can actually highlight it, and you can play around with how you want it. I'm just going to put it back to how it was for now. You can also, here we have elements. So if I add gold decorative lines, so you get now loads of decorative lines that you can add. For example, you can actually copy mine and add it somewhere else here, or you can choose a different one, guys. So there's literally limitless ways that you can do that. And then if we want to add some Christmas elements to it, I don't think my invitations need it because they are quite busy as they are. But, we can, of course, do Christmas and see what comes up. Again, there's like a different graphics. Guys, so if we have a free account, everything that doesn't have this pro button here is free and usable. So you can use that. Of course, we need to, I think, in this case, it would be quite nice to do some Christmas gold items. So let's see what comes up here. So we've got some of these to add here. So just very, very beautiful. And then if you want to print it through Canva, like I was showing you, then the second page can be literally just any color. Again, we can maybe use a picker and do it that way, or we can actually add additional text, whatever we want. And then if we want to sort of like have it printed through Canva, so I'll show you again, print with Canva, and we go to invitations. Okay, so let me just find it this way. Invitations landscape and invitations portrait. So we go here, resize design, and look how beautiful they are, right? We can actually see how gorgeous they are. Here you can choose whether you want blank page or nothing. Premium paper, how many invitations? So 50 invitations for £23. So that's I think quite a good price. Then we can print them ourselves. So we can actually go to download button and print them as a PNG. So PNG would be good if we want to share it on social media, or send it to people, like friends and family via email. Same for GPG. If you want to print it at home, I would suggest PDF for print or standard. So I think go for PDF for print. You can actually also press flatten PDF, and again, choose the colors. So again, that would download it, guys. So there's literally endless options that you can do, and also endless ways to save it and to use it. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful. And thank you once again for buying my invitation, and I hope that you and your friends will love it as much as I did when I was creating it. And I really hope that you will potentially get more from me. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and have fun. And if it's a Christmas or a Happy New Year card, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you. Bye bye.